In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify notifications in Google Calendar. Google Calendar is an incredibly handy tool that helps you stay organized and on top of your schedule. However, ensuring that you receive timely notifications can really make the difference in keeping your day running smoothly. That's why understanding how to customize these notifications to fit your needs is so essential. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Calendar. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google Calendar webpage. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar layout where your events are displayed for the week or month. Now, to access the settings, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon there. Click on this gear icon and a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This option will take you to the main settings page for your Google Calendar, which is where we'll make all the necessary changes. In the settings section, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Under the heading Settings for My Calendars, you'll see a list of all the calendars associated with your account. Click on the specific calendar for which you need to change the notification settings. If you have multiple calendars, make sure you select the one most relevant to your needs. Once you've selected the appropriate calendar, it's time to scroll down until you reach the sections titled Event Notifications and All Day Event Notifications. These are the areas where you can make all your notifications adjustments. The first choice you'll have to make here is deciding whether you'd like to receive notifications as a pop-up on your screen or via email. Pop-up notifications will be delivered directly to your device, offering immediate alerts, while email notifications will arrive in your inbox. Next, you'll be able to tailor how far in advance you wish to receive these notifications. Whether you want a heads up 10 minutes before an event starts, 1 hour, or even a day in advance, you can set these according to your preferences. Sometimes you might require multiple notifications, or perhaps none at all. To address this, there are options to add or remove notifications. Simply click Add Notification if you need additional reminders, or Remove Notification to delete any existing alerts that are no longer needed. And there you have it, folks. With these simple steps, you can adjust your Google Calendar notifications to help ensure you never miss a critical meeting or event. Remember, it's all about what best fits your routine and keeps you informed without overwhelming you. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.